Do you have DBF files that you need to convert into Excel, CSV, JSON, or other readable formats on Mac? Introducing SysTools Mac DBF Converter Tool. The best solution to convert your DBF files into 15+ modern and shareable file formats effortlessly. Key features of the software. Supports 15+ export formats. The Mac DBF Converter is compatible with exporting DBF files into more than 15 different formats with complete accuracy. Add files or folder option. Easily add multiple DBF files at once using the Add Files option, or import an entire directory using Add Folder. Handles complex DBF files smoothly. DBF Data Conversion Tool effectively processes even large or complex .dbf files without crashing on Mac. Preserves folder structure. It maintains the original folder hierarchy and structure during the entire DBF file conversion process. To download the software, open Google and search for SysTools Mac DBF Converter Tool. Click on the top result that leads to the official SysTools website. On the product page, click the Download for Mac button. Once downloaded, install the software by following the on-screen instructions. After installation, launch the tool. Once you launch the software, you'll be greeted with a clean and intuitive interface. There are two options to import files: Add Files and Add Folder. Click the Add Files or Add Folder button to import the database file. Choose your DBF file, whichever you want to convert. Click Open button. If you need to remove any DBF files, use the Remove or Remove All options to delete the selected files. Then, click the Next button to proceed. In the Export Options window, you will see multiple file formats available. Select the desired file format in which you want to convert your DBF file. If you wish to maintain the folder structure, enable the Maintain Folder Tree option. Next, click on the Change button to select the destination location where you want to save the converted file. Choose your preferred folder and click Open. Now, click on the Export button to start the conversion process. As you can see, the process has begun. Please wait for a few seconds until the conversion completes. Once done, a pop-up message will appear confirming that the export process has been completed successfully. Click on the OK button. Now, click on the View Report button to check the detailed export report. Finally, you can open and view your converted DBF files in your selected file format. And that's it. That's how you can easily convert your DBF files into multiple formats on Mac. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.